Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to make paint, and so let's begin. For making paint we are going to take 1 tablespoon of talcum powder. Now add your glue. I am using the clear glue. You can even use white glue over here, and mix them. Now add your water, and now let's mix it, and add food coloring. And now let's test it. For testing I have drawn a sun over here, and now we are going to fill the paint. And it works perfectly. And it will take around 2 to 3 minutes to dry. And if you like the video, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, thanks for watching.